Okay, next visual effects is outline edge. If you drag and drop it on a video, you can see it create outline of anything in a video, or of course image. Interesting. We hide it and assign it to the image. You can see it also give it to the image. For example, go between settings and you can increase or decrease intensity of that. I think it's better seen in a video. Select it. In this case, you can see you can increase or decrease of number of the outline, and you can desaturate. If you reduce that, you can see a little bit color in your scene. So you can create such as this. Interesting. As I said before, you can see these effects like other. Some of the effects has these handles. It means you can assign it to a specific part of your video, not all. And for example here, and with ease in, ease out, you can smoothly enter to the effect and smoothly going out of effect. Something like this. You can see smoothly going outline edge and smoothly out of that. So ease in and ease out is in a visual effects that has these handles that you can assign it to a specific part of your video. Okay, that's it, and it has no setting.